Hey guys, let's see to the weather.
Across the UK, rain has intensified into a relentless downpour, transforming familiar streets into rivers. Dark clouds blanket the sky, casting a grey pallor over towns and cities. Streets glisten with water, puddles merging into small ponds, and the sound of rain is a constant backdrop. This isn't just a typical British shower, it's a significant weather event demanding our attention. People hurry under umbrellas, cars crawl through flooded roads, and water creeps over curbs. The ground, already saturated from previous rain, can't absorb more, so water quickly runs off into drains and rivers. Weather forecasts and official alerts from the Met Office and Environment Agency have warned us not to cause panic, but to help us prepare. By staying informed, we can make smart decisions to protect ourselves and our homes. The intensity and duration of this rain are what make it noteworthy, with water levels rising rapidly and flooding a real concern. Understanding the situation is the first step to staying safe. Why so much rain? A series of low-pressure systems from the Atlantic are drawing in moist air, which cools and condenses over the UK, releasing heavy rain. The UK's position at the meeting point of warm southern and cold northern air masses creates unstable weather fronts, prime conditions for rain. The jet stream, a fast-moving air current, is steering these systems right over us, prolonging the wet weather. Warmer Atlantic sea temperatures add more moisture to the air, fueling even heavier downpours, sometimes called atmospheric rivers. When this moisture-laden air hits land, it dumps huge amounts of rain, increasing flood risk. Climate change is making these events more frequent and intense as a warmer atmosphere holds more water vapor. While not every storm is caused by climate change, the trend toward heavier rainfall is clear. This science helps explain why the UK is seeing such extreme weather now. Flooding starts when rain falls faster than the ground can absorb. In cities, concrete and tarmac prevent water from soaking in, so it rushes into drains, often overwhelming them. Blocked drains spill water onto streets and into homes with little warning. Excess water flows into streams and rivers, causing them to swell rapidly, sometimes bursting their banks. Many towns are built on floodplains, putting homes and infrastructure directly in harm's way. Prolonged rain saturates the ground, and a sudden heavy burst can trigger major floods. When rivers are already high and drainage systems are overwhelmed, widespread flooding can happen fast. This chain reaction, from sky to soil to river, shows how interconnected our water systems are. Understanding these processes helps us prepare and respond. Flooding isn't just about rain, it's about how our environment handles it. That's why even a single storm can have such a big impact. Several UK regions are now on high flood alert due to relentless rain. The Met Office and Environment Agency have issued warnings, especially for western and northern areas. Wales, the northwest, Cumbria, Lancashire, and the Pennines are at risk, with rivers rising quickly in steep valleys. In Scotland, Dumfries and Galloway and the borders are being closely monitored, with SEPA providing updates. Urban areas like Glasgow face surface water flooding as drains struggle to cope. Flood alerts can change quickly, so everyone should stay vigilant, even outside main warning zones. Check official websites for real-time updates and advice for your area. Staying informed is key to taking timely precautions. Heavy rain and flooding are causing major travel chaos across the UK. Flooded roads become impassable, making it dangerous to drive or walk through standing water. Road closures and diversions disrupt commutes, while public transport, especially trains and buses, faces cancellations and delays. Schools may close, and simple errands become difficult. Power cuts and loss of essential services can isolate communities. Businesses suffer from closures and supply chain delays, while farmers face ruined crops and waterlogged fields. The economic impact is significant, with recovery taking time even after the rain stops. The stress and anxiety of protecting homes and loved ones add to the challenge. These disruptions highlight the far-reaching effects of severe weather. Recent years have shown how devastating UK floods can be. Storms like Ciara, Dennis and Henk brought record rainfall, overwhelming rivers and flood defences. Towns along the Severn and Trent and villages like Fishlake faced evacuations and severe damage. Even with modern defences, nature's power can be overwhelming. These events are becoming more frequent, underlining the need for robust infrastructure and preparedness. Past floods teach us to heed warnings and act quickly. Community spirit and emergency services play a vital role in recovery. Learning from these events helps us face today's risks. Your safety comes first during heavy rain and flood risk. Stay informed, sign up for flood alerts and follow updates from official sources. Avoid unnecessary travel and never drive or walk through floodwater. If you must travel, check routes and be ready for diversions. Prepare your home. Know how to turn off utilities and keep a flood kit with essentials. Move valuables upstairs if flooding is likely. Look out for vulnerable neighbours and help them prepare. After the flood, remain cautious. Hazards can linger. Follow emergency services advice and support your community. Together we can stay safe and resilient, whatever the weather brings.